Hi, Kevin here with FasTrax Cars. I've got Kevin here with an absolutely beautiful 1929 Ford Model A. Kevin, welcome to my show.
Hey.
Tell me a little bit about your car.
That's a 29 Ford Model A. It's powered by a 1950 331 Cadillac. Got a 9-inch in the rear, 4-speed transmission, and well, traditional build.
Excellent. And the color itself, what's this color? It's a pretty unique color.
It's called Apple Green. It's from a 2007 Hyundai Accent.
Really? That's incredible. And now, the engine on this car, let's take a look at the engine real quick here. The engine itself is what's in this?
It's a 1950 Cadillac 331. It's about 150 horsepower, 340 foot-pounds of torque. Got it set up with a nice set of headers. 2 barrels, Stromberg 97s. It's all stock internal.
Absolutely. What made you decide to choose this particular type of engine?
Seen the Kijiji ad pop up one day and it seemed like a good idea at the time.
Excellent. And exhaust, you got a side pipe coming out of there, right off the header there.
Yeah. So they're 1935 Ford drive shaft tubes and welded up onto the flange.
Excellent. Pretty loud?
Very.
Yeah, very loud. Any cutoffs on it, or is it just straight out of the pipes what you get?
Yeah, that's all you got.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Excellent. And when you bought this car, what condition was it when you bought it?
It was a body on a pallet, and the bottom 6 inches of the car was missing. There was no trunk lid.
Really?
No top. There was nothing there, really. It
What's
was rough.
What's it like trying to find body parts for something like this?
It wasn't too bad. It was a bit of a hassle to get some stuff to try to keep it original and everything else. But the panels are available still. So.
Excellent. And all metal?
Yeah.
All metal. Excellent. Excellent. You got the sun visor on there. Was this a chop top, or did you, or was it, yeah?
I chopped 4 inches
You
out
chopped
of it.
How did you decide to cut that down? What was it like cutting off 4 inches of your car?
A little bit nerve-wracking when you cut the roof off your car for the first time. I had never done that, so it's an experience.
Absolutely. And when you do that, you got to make sure that the door matches and everything fits and everything, you know.
Yeah, everything's lined up in the end.
Absolutely.
Your door's still open and closed.
A lot of work involved there. And the interior on this, beautiful white and black interior. Was it the color from factory, or was that a choice you made?
No,
Or
it had a tweed or a almost potato sack interior in this thing. I did the door cards, blue collar textiles down in Red Deer to the seat. And it was just kind of what was available to me at the time.
That's excellent. And the tires, obviously they're a narrow tire, proper to the era.
Yep.
Difficult to find, or no?
No, they're new. They're bias plies. Rear rims are actually from the 60s. They're 1944 rims that have been reversed.
Really?
And re-chromed.
Yeah.
And the fronts are 40 Ford wheels up front.
And what, did you do anything to differential and everything else, or is that
Just a Ford 9-inch that I built.
Okay.
Nothing special. 373 gearing.
handles the torque?
Absolutely.
Absolutely perfect. And the brakes in it, are they drum or disc?
All drums.
All drums.
Yep.
Kept it the way it's supposed to be. Good for you.
Yep.
What's it like to drive?
It's interesting.
Yeah.
A little shaky.
Yeah.
But it does what it needs to do. It pulls straight down the highway. It's fun.
Yeah. And it'll pull highway speeds, no problem. Yeah. Yeah. You've got it all open here at Engine Bay.
Yep.
You have the
No.
body panel? No, it stays open.
Yep.
Excellent. Obviously not a winter car.
Nope.
not in Alberta winters. That's fantastic. Anything else special to the car that you chose to put on it or wasn't there?
The chop top. The roof itself, this is called a special coupe, so it was a leatherback coupe.
Yeah.
Instead of filling the roof with steel, I kept the vinyl top. It's there. And that's about it.
Yeah. Excellent. And you've had it for how long?
I built it for 10 years. It's been on the road for this is the third season.
Third season. 10 years to build. Yeah. Good for you. And you did it all yourself?
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, Kevin, for your time. I appreciate it.
No worries.
If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live. Share the channel with your friends and family. We post videos weekly, and this is completely free.